1969 Buick Riviera two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 455 V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at this front chrome. Very unique looking front end. The way the headlights changed up on the ribs over the years. Power steering, power brakes, factory AC car. I noticed the AC compressor not hooked up anymore. Has had a repaint to gray. Would have been originally a silver car. Blue interior. Interior still the original color. Take a look at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. Call in if you have any questions about this vehicle. Polished wheels. Tires were just put on June of 2023. Take a look down the passenger side. It does have a flat black stripe added to the hood, over the roof line, and down on the deck lid. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I do have the windows rolled up. You can see how they fit. Technicians noted the driver's window is in op. Reflected in the price to sell. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Get a better look at that flat black stripe. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a look at the underside. Underside very clean. We'll start it up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run, and you're also going to see a video of it driving down the road. Kind of get a bird's eye view of what it'd be like to see sitting in the vehicle and riding in it. Let's check out this interior. And it appears to be original interior to me, and like I said, it was originally a blue interior. And it does show its age a little bit, which coincides with the fact it's probably original. Interesting shifter on these too, as you can see. It's kind of a half a horseshoe shifter, you might say. So center console with the automatic shifter. 8-pillar gauges. It's fired up. It is an aftermarket stereo that has been installed in the glove box, so you're aware of that. Looks like we have oil pressure here, water temp, voltage meter, top of the dash. There's some cracking there. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this 455 V8. A little rumble to it with that dual exhaust. Don't see this body style every day, that's for sure. I'm going to slip up to the front, check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Get a look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. Good looking engine bay too. Now you're going to see 430 on the side of that. I did mention 455. So 455 cubic inches, which would relate in Buick terms, 430 pound-feet of torque. Got it marked there, so don't let that fool you. Aluminum radiator's been added. Like an Edelbrock 4-barrel carb on there. Again, power steering, power brakes. Was a factory AC vehicle. Looks like the components are all still there. Just disengage the belt, so that may need a little TLC to get it going, but it appears to all be there. 1969 Buick Riviera two-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1969 Buick Riviera. Kind of a gunmetal gray exterior with black stripes and a blue interior. This is an automatic on the center console. There's an aftermarket radio in the glove box. This factory radio does not function. Our speedometer is working well. Blinker indicators are working. Windshield wipers do function, and so does the blower motor. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Got a smooth ride from this Buick. On the pillar we have some gauges. Volts are at 14. Water temperature a little over 180. Oil pressure is showing about 30. Fuel gauge is topped out at full. I'm not sure if that one is working. Comfortable factory bucket seats in this car. Nice quiet ride. Buick, kind of known for being a little more luxurious, gives you that nice quiet ride and smooth ride. Our brakes are working well. This car corners as it should for a 1969 Buick. Strong acceleration with this car. Very nice old Buick. Take a look at the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.